Welcome. Today we'll learn how to add fractions when cooking or baking. Let's say we need to add 1/2 cup plus 1/3 cup of an ingredient. Let's visualize this with measuring cups. Here's 1/2 cup and here's 1/3 cup. We want to combine these amounts. To add fractions, we need a common denominator. The denominators are 2 and 3. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So we'll convert each fraction to 6. 1/2 is equal to 3/6. We get this by multiplying both top and bottom by 3. And 1/3 is equal to 2/6. We get this by multiplying both top and bottom by 2. Now we can add 3/6 plus 2/6. That gives us 5/6 of a cup. Let's see what 5/6 looks like in our measuring cup. This is how much total ingredient we need. So when a recipe calls for 1/2 cup plus 1/3 cup, you'll need 5/6 of a cup total. Happy cooking!